we have studied that matter can be divided into 3 states. Can you tell me what are these 3 categories? Yes, good. Solid, liquid and gases. We use solids most often than liquids and gases. We use utensils for cooking food. Bucket or a container used to carry water. Notebooks, pencils, papers, pens, etc. are used for different purposes. We never use the same solid for all the applications, isn't it? For different applications, we use solids with different properties. The constituent particles and the type of bonds between the particles that determine the nature of specific solid.